This weekend we played a very special football game in Winterthur. It is 1 year that one of our beloved friends passed away tragically in Nigeria. Everyone came together to celebrate his memory. And not only the big men were playing, also the next generation joined the game. Even Atuke got to shoot his shot. And Nanyerugu Chief was supporting from the sideline. The sun was burning, but we had so much fun. And even though everybody was a bit tired after the game, it is safe to say that it was a success. Before we started eating, we all came together and prayed in memory of Atuke. After that, it was time for food and drinks. Just like Atuke used to enjoy life with friends. We all grabbed a plate. What a beautiful way to remember a loved one. May his soul rest in peace.